Right na.
Ito going to make photo sipo. Sige, may raman ni siya nga bowl. Sibalhin na nato. Isikitan ko sa iyo. 2 cups of cornstarch. So, sa 2 cups is means to say 1/4 kilo. So, 1/4 kilo of cornstarch. And then,
I bet this is gonna be yummy.
half cup of margarine or butter. Okay, na itong margarine.
I
So,
thought they
half
would-
cup.
I thought that was cheese.
Sa...
I didn't check. I thought this was cheese.
So, hard pa ang atoong kuan, margarine.
I thought this was cheese.
Cheese, wait lang.
Yes,
So,
it is
hard pa.
yellow.
Dugay pa mahuman. So, I'll add it on the pan muna.
I thought-
Ano itong pan? Gihatag ni Papa ni mo. Where's that pan?
Thought this was cheese because it was yellow.
So, ito nino. That cute one. Where is that? I can't find it, so I'm going to use my own small pan. Okay? Can't find it. So,
Tiny pan.
very tiny pan. I'm going to melt the ano. Slow lang yung light. I'm going to, what we call, melt. Oh, what's this? Oh.
What was that?
Oh, anong oily pa man to?
I do not know.
Yeah, let's put it here.
I will take it.
Let's put it here for just a little lang tayo. Right? Yun, para mas dali ang mixing, let's melt the butter. Butter! Margarine. Actually, I wanna buy the butter, but I want to try first the margarine. I melt it in a very, very, very slow fire. Kasi the butter is so easy to melt. Okay, alis. Diyan, okay, hot ang butter.
Oh my god,
The
yes.
butter is hot.
I was trying to mix it.
Yeah, you can't mix it because the butter is so hard. Hard pa yung butter.
I thought the butter was cheese a minute
It will
ago.
be melty. It will be exposed. But it's not exposed well. So,
That looks like mac and cheese.
yeah, half cup.
Oh, it smells good.
Let's add just na lang the ano, the cornstarch later.
I think I know what it looks like. Why does it look like?
Sayang. So, tinuko na to. Sayang yung butter.
Why does it look like egg?
And, yeah, butter is like a, ano,
Hey, what is
oil.
that thing?
I don't know. Keep away that. Keep that away.
I think that's a fly.
Will go in our foods.
I think that's a fly with that. I'm gonna try kill
And
it.
this one is, I can post it in reel because the ano is so haba.
Alright,
So,
I killed the thing.
yeah.
I'm gonna throw this out now.
Okay. So let's mix it.
Looks so
Okay.
good.
Yeah, let's mix that together, the butter and the cornstarch. we're making what?
Photo slack.
Siko.
Oh.
My gosh.
Why did I think slack? Photo
Okay.
slack.
Let's mix it together.
I said it so confidently.
Yeah.
Photo slack.
Okay, the butter is not so melted pa. Hindi pa natunaw masyado yung butter. Give me a spoon, B. Para sa ano.
Did I mix to?
No. Just watch, guys. Maano siya. Mamisi ta. The more we gonna be messy. Here. It's my wooden spoon. This wooden spoon is almost 3 years old. Oh my God, how could you really my wooden spoon? Actually, I have a plenty of wooden spoon before. I buy talaga a wooden spoon for my calderos. But actually, nasira na sila
It looks like
by
flour now.
not using they don't use wooden spoon. Sometimes they use like this, stainless. So my kaha or my caldero is ruined. So now, no choice, but still gonna be used. Also, look, nagmix na sila
Looks like
together.
flour.
We have also flour. Next time we'll make ano. Oy, I'll make egg. Next time I'll make egg.
Pansiko.
No, pan egg. Egg. What's it? Pancake. With using
Why'd you say egg pan?
egg pan, something like that. Basta you watch. Make maybe next
Looks
day.
yummy. This is milk, right?
Yeah. Let's put the milk na. So
Oh.
open it. Asa na ito ako mga kutsara, mga kutsilyo diri?
I do not know. Panalabot ang kutsilyo. Bakin si Angelo. Naat siya yung mga trabaho.
Wala all my
Gucci, Gucci, yeah, yeah, da. Not me. Ngayon maglabot ko og kutsilyo, mama. It's not like I would pick up a random knife and what would I do with it exactly?
So some of my things. I can. You will ruin it.
Not me, though.
Ginagulakan
I'm a
niyo.
child.
And then, let's put it little by little.
Can I eat?
The milk you can eat, but
Yeah.
the mixture is not.
Yeah.
Later,
Yeah.
don't put your fingers. It's gonna be dirty.
Yummy.
We're making a food. Yeah, you get spoon. Use spoon. Don't put your face, too near sa kuan. Suka, matusok ka.
Yummy! We can mix this with my bread.
Can mix that.
I'm watching.
I think.
I'm gonna ask you the recipes of that later so I can put it in my book. Bro!
Okay. Let's make it. Uy, masyado atong wait lang.
It looks like egg now.
I think too much na ito. Too much. My hand is clean. So I'll mix it by hand. Add na lang tayo
By
ng
hand?
cornstarch. I think I put too much milk on it. So, milk. I put a little bit of oil
Oh, yan!
in my hand. See? Para pag mag-mix, tadi siya magdikit. So,
Oh, yeah. You're smart.
I think
I'm gonna go get bread.
we're going to knead it until it form like we're making a bread. I think it's so wet pa. Let's add a little bit of corn.
It looks like you're making a pizza.
Yeah, let's put a little bit of cornstarch. I think too much milk lang.
I'm gonna go
ang lagay.
get some bread, alright? Be back.
Let's add a little bit of cornstarch. Half cup. Okay. Let's mix it until it look like a dough. Okay.
back.
We give Lola also. Make one for Lola.
Alright, I will give Lola once I get mine.
Smell it. So bango. I think I just put too much
What? Cornstarch?
Too much milk. No, let me taste a little, Dobby. May taste naman ito. Hindi man ito poisonous na.
Let me try first.
Hmm? It's not so milky. See, I think I put too much butter on it. Let's add a little bit of cornstarch and milk. I think too much butter ito. Okay, let's add. I add na 1/2 cup. And now, I'll add
Oh yeah,
another
this is
half
a
cup.
banger, bro.
So, I'm making now 3 cups of, this one.
This is for Lola.
Give one for Lola. Make one for Lola.
I will go like
And
Sonic.
then, I will put a little bit of milk. I will mix a
Milk.
little. Yeah. Just 2 spoons. 2 spoons lang. Okay. I will mix it by spoon. Kaya, not so messy in my hand.
I'm here.
Mhm.
Our hair's Phasma.
Mhm.
Hairs are like bunnies, right? But
Maybe
different.
I can mix it by hand maybe. Oh, wait. Until it will be melt and it will be coated so much na almost like a dough na siya. Okay. I think I better use the mixer. Make it easier. So hard.
Yum.
Yeah. Just mix it and mix it. Just mix and mix until well combined.
Until it looks like dough.
Yeah, it will become looks like this. So, just, and then maybe ito pa siya na, kayo.
Ooh la la. Milk is really yummy though.
So, we use 3 cups of cornstarch in this. How many ml Margaret? 100 milligram? What's that? ML or milligram? Let me check this one. Almost the
I think
same as
family.
I think it is. Read it. How many?
If unta
100 or read it.
100 G.
100 gram. 100 gram of what's this? 100 gram of margarine.
Margarine garlic.
3 cups of flour, so that's half kilo.
I think
1/4.
wrong box, bro.
2. Just the same size.
Oh, and
3 cups of
this garlic.
And then the milk of this is only 1/3 of this. 1/3 of the milk I used. Okay. Maybe I'll use it in a flat. Kasi it's so hard in the bowl. Pag sa microwave kasi mabuo. Ganun na lang. Ay, hindi mo na flat. Maybe here. Maybe here. I can nail it properly. Okay. Sayang. Our table is clean, huh? Don't think it's dirty. I'll nail it little by little. So, by batch. I nail it by batch. So hard. I'm not a baker, that's why. Don't know how to.
But she's a professional chef. And in my vision, she's a professional chef. It's
I
like
think
dough.
we mix it na kanina po.
It's like dough.
Yeah, it will become look like that. We mix it totally na. So, I'm just taking small, little by little.
Little by little.
Yeah.
Alright.
While we're mixing, while making the dough, we will put some in the stove. Okay. What we call this? Poto siko.
I almost said slack again.
Yeah, okay. Oh, Watong bagong kahagi ko, ikuan papa ni Ruby gigib.
Where?
Hanawa dito sa taas, monta na si Lula. Ay, mo ito kay bago pa. Okay. Kay kami lang yung magkain. So, I don't need to, I don't need to weigh it. Hindi ko na kailangan timbangin. Okay. Just,
Ito si Clark kasi itong higdaan na ikaw ni Angelo.
nara dito.
Can I shape some?
Circle. We'll flatten it a
Can
little.
I make it like a heart?
Wash your hand.
Alright.
Wash your hand.
It's a heart alright.
No. A circle. Don't play with the food.
Alright. Then I
Dry it. Maruin ang food. Kung wet ang hand. Go get some. Oh, kaya ano, bisik-bisik, mauga.
What?
My God. Pagtrapo. No. Itrapo na ko ka dito. Nasa di ka.
oh.
Good. Dako na rin mo.
My brain was not draining for 1 second.
Use it. Don't just use it in playing. Don't make people laugh at you.
Then,
Does it dry properly? Oh, very good.
alright.
Circle it. Like this, oh. Round.
Alright.
Here. Like that, oh.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I know how to do that. Yours looks so oily, while mine does not.
Because of the, I think I put too much talaga, or ano.
Is this good?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Wasa tong kaldiron dito,
That mine looks more like a square.
And we're going to cook it on a very, very, very low fire. Very, very low fire.
Is it this one?
Oh, this.
Alright. You gotta get more now.
Ito saan tagak, di? Ito saan ang tagak? Uy, yun yung manang gitipo. Uy! May na! Ito man na. Matog ka. Ito ba ito? Ibalo kang gamiton, eh, mo gitipo. Ito ba ito? Magbago dito, bitakuhan ni mo. Kuha, tagpagkaon, pagkahuman, yung anak ka. Ito dito. This is brain sometimes. Food, pagkahuman. Ito. Making yourself so irresponsible. Don't make yourself like that. You're making yourself stupid. Food, dili mag-dirty sa food. Food is not toys. Sabot?
Alright. Alright, ma'am.
Piniton sa nato to. Like, going to make it so little. Hot a little. Don't play with the food. Always remember that. At
Not
sa
playing.
stomach. And pagka man mag-dirty ka.
Gina, this is too big.
Small lang. Para daghan.
Alright, time to cut.
Kung nalingaw ka sa foods.
Can be like a puppet.
I'll press it a little.
Nagoy YouTuber nga katong bata no katong si RJ or unsa ba to yung pangalan?
Kanya, taga-asa daw to si Orange.
Nalo siya sa taga pero wa siya kabalo.
Taga-tago mo siya kung mo siya kabalo.
He doesn't know.
Oh,
Let him cook.
ito po.
Alright.
I think too much ano lang talaga to margarine. Let's make another batch next time. Mhm.
Beep, 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 beep.
Slow on the heat
Beep, 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 beep.
and a little while.
It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna mix small ones and big ones.
Small only. Right?
Tama-tama na big ba?
No. Yun, dako kayo. Mas kag manik, it's gonna be powder. Oops. Where's the cover?
This is gonna be a fun snack.
Ano na? Oh, this one. Tapos, the powder.
Boop. Beep, boop. Beep, 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 beep.
Yung matuyo ko na, no?
What?
Okay.
I made some small and some big too. Because I wanted some small ones. Small ones, so it would be fun. Hey, what's up, Shadow? I made some small ones and big ones because I wanted it to be fun. We're eating.
Oh. Sit down. May tiil na susakit.
Nago YouTuber mang.
Pag-sit down, gano'n.
Katong-
Butan sa, ay, yun na lang sa libutan to, kaba sinasa ipat.
Ano mo sit down na?
Ay, mag-sit down.
Yeah. Nago YouTuber nga kitong bata pa siya no magbuhat og mga videos nga para sa kids. Di siya ka-retire. Di siya pa-retiron.
Ano naman?
Sige pa siya video.
Why?
Kung kabalog, di siya ba ka-retire, di siya pa-retire.
Di siya pa retire?
Biyaan na siya pa siya magbuhat-buhat og videos. Maski 18 na to siya more or 15.
Dapat siya malingaw sa iya, ha? Siyempre. Kung gusto siya pabuhaton ng mga kuan videos.
I think his name was Ryan.
Ah, boy, di ay.
Yeah.
And orange is where from?
I do not still know.
Why you don't ask?
He
You are
doesn't.
claiming a friend but you don't know anywhere? Oh my God.
That's because he doesn't know where he is. He's dumb.
Oh, come.
I know.
Don't know where he
My
is.
trio is literally 2 boys and I'm the only girl.
Hmm?
And also, one of us is literally an adult already.
Hmm? Who?
Beluga. They're 19. While me and Orange are 9 and 10.
You are always the same age.
Beluga takes care of us. Like we are children.
Oh, nice.
Kaya man chaotic kaayo mi.
Nice knowing that.
Kaya man chaotic kaayo mi ni Orange. There's a Brookhaven. We steal people's money. And make
Think
small
we put
ones.
too much margarine. We better make the 100 gram of this and a half kilo of cornstarch with 3/4.
Next time?
Yeah, next time. Well, we already mix it. We'll keep on mixing and mixing. So better lang next time. It's our first time making potosik.
Boop.
Yeah.
The small ones look so cute. The small ones are by me. Aren't I inspiring?
Don't be.
Boop. The small ones are so cute.
We're making our food so expensive, don't? This one is 40, this one is 7 to 70, and the other one, we better buy the bread. What making is, I think in a bakery, they put they don't use, they put a little bit only of margarine maybe, and cornstarch.
And milk.
Oh, don't waste it.
What?
Milk.
What?
And then maybe put some oil.
What do you mean don't waste it?
Oh, you lagpot the ano oh.
Alright, I'll
Do it slowly. Don't be too rush. We put too much oil. In the pan, got too much oil. I think we better use this one, half kilo of that one, and one half of this milk. Or whole, and then half kilo, and then half of,
Looks
and
like
50
boba
gram
balls.
only, 50 gram. We better use 50 gram of this. We don't use the whole 100 gram of the margarine.
This looks like boba balls.
Yeah. Don't make it too small. Looks so stupid.
But they still look cute and cutie patootie. Not too small. Alright, I'll size up.
It's better also you make small candy bites.
Ooh.
You finish that half.
Alright, I will finish.
Because I will clean it here.
The yummy yet?
Yeah, but still not cooked. I think I better do it both sides because they're not cooked.
Small. Cute.
Next time we can make it perfect. This time is not so perfect. We're experimenting pa naman. We're not a chef. We're not, we're experimenting. So next time we can make it better. Better, and then nicer,
And yummier.
and yummier. We'll keep doing, experimenting, and making our foods nice.
Oh la la, I'm almost done. I'ma check if it's still recording.
Did you finish it?
It's alright, it's still recording. I'm almost done though. Let me try. I accidentally tasted one of the cornstarch.
I'll wash it. You finish that, okay? I'll wash it.
Yeah, let me eat first. Yummy, bro. Yummy. Let me try.
No, it's not done. I'm just checking it.
Let me try.
Later.
Is it yummy though?
So salty.
Salty.
It's not sweet, so salty because of the margarine.
Should have
I
put
better put less margarine. Less margarine, more milk. So salty. not cooked yet.
Alright, I think I'm done. Wait, let me try mixing all these. Do not make this one so small.
Okay, let's pause this and come back later. Finished product of our Putosiko. Okay. Oh, hindi ko na pinakita yung
I got a free sample.
how we make it on the stove kasi nalobat ang cellphone curry. But this is the finished product. Look. Oh, maybe the light too much. Then, when you press it, see, look, so milky.